This video will demonstrate how to set up users for WebTess and set up access levels for each user. Go to the WebTess login screen and log in with the initial username and password that was provided to you when you installed WebTess. You must sign in as an administrator to get access to the security functions. Then go to Security and set up Tess user profiles. User profiles are used to set up access levels to each of the components in WebTess. Select a profile name from the drop-down list or type in a new name to create a new user profile. For example, the admin user generally has access to all of the components in the program. But you can create additional users that have limited access or restricted access. For example, this user profile has been set up with no access to these components and with read-write access to these components. They also are checked as an administrator, which means they have access to the security menu. Another user I've set up is not an administrator, and they are required to change their password and change it periodically. They have read-write access to enrollment and attendance and no access to any of the other components. Next, we can set up individual WebTess users. Go to Security, Set up WebTess Users. The screen will show the current WebTess users. Click on any username to change their settings, or click Add a new user at the bottom of the screen. When you change or add a user, you will see their username and can set or change their password. You can enter their usual full name and any note you want about this user, and then you set the Tess access level based on their Tess user profile. Then click Save. There is a separate video for setting up access for teachers in WebTess. Be sure to watch that video for further information.